Transform your business with doForms. doForms is a cloud service that allows you to easily and quickly create digital forms for data collection. Collected data can be shared with customers, co-workers, and computer systems. Our mobile application allows data collection from an Android or iOS device, but you can also enter data from a web browser. Building a digital form doesn't require programming knowledge. We are a no-code service, so anyone with Office knowledge can create a workflow and start collecting information in just a few hours. The savings generated by eliminating paper exchange promotes efficiency and ensures the quality of information. Let's look at some use cases. Rob is the sales manager of a consumer products distribution company. He oversees 10 salespeople and is looking to rapidly recover revenue. By using doForms, Rob starts his digital transformation by creating a form that can place an order, invoice, and collect a payment. Rob has identified that he must verify the frequency in which his salespeople visit his customers. He needs to be assured that they, his clients, are well served. When designing the form, Rob uploads his product catalog and customer list and defines the tasks that his salespeople must follow when visiting his customers. By using our GPS location feature, Rob ensures that his salespeople will execute their predefined schedules and perform customer-related activities that will improve sales and customer relations. In the few weeks since implementation, Rob has increased his sales and grown his customer base. This growth motivates him to implement other communication channels between him and his customers. Using our form link function, Rob quickly creates a self-serve order form and makes it available on his website. In a couple of weeks, Rob has managed to digitally transform his sales operation. Lauren is the human resources manager of a bank, and she needs to keep a daily record of her employees' health. Her intention is to ensure everyone's safety as employees come back to work. Lauren uses doForms and creates a HIPAA-compliant employee screening form, which is shared via email. This form allows her employees to share with her any health-related issues they might have before they head out to work. doForms has allowed Lauren to keep track of her employees' health by assigning them a QR day pass, which is validated once they enter the office. This workflow has allowed Lauren to proactively follow up on any cases that require her attention. The creation of a digital record has allowed her to attest that she follows all regulations requested by local authorities. Finally, let's look at John. John has successfully transformed his business and kept his competitive advantage. John has fine-tuned his e-commerce site and his sales have grown substantially. John has managed to expand his client portfolio and has focused his efforts on the logistics needed for home delivery. To establish quality control in the delivery of his products, John created a delivery form that allows him to see in real time the delivery status. doForms allows John to see the order's departure time, its route, and when the order is delivered. Customer satisfaction and feedback is important. The use of our contactless signature functionality allows his customers to attest that they received their products as requested. Today, John feels more confident to innovate as he has the tools he needs to grow. With over 100 features available for the development of digital forms, doForms provides flexibility when creating business workflows. This flexibility allows our service to be used in any industry. The ease of integrating our cloud with systems and services such as Salesforce, QuickBooks, SharePoint, Microsoft SQL, and others makes us the most trusted peripheral in the world. Our enterprise-class mobile forms platform seamlessly integrates with an array of purpose-built software and hardware, making doForms a powerful end-to-end business solution. Our application is available in English, Spanish, Portuguese, French, Italian, Greek, Russian, and Japanese. Transform your business today. Visit us at doforms.com/free-trial and request your free trial.